So at Elim Village Fleetwood, our site is currently 20 acres. There's about just over 700 seniors that live here, 300 within our various care buildings, and then another 400 or so that live out in independent living. With that, there's about 400 staff on property, and specifically the food service team is around 100 staff. Again, looking after 900 to 1,000 meals a day through our assisted living dining rooms, our long-term care or full care, as we call them in Elim Village dining rooms, our staff meals and catering that we have here at Elim Village. And so we saw, the handling of the organics here at Elim Village Fleetwood was a big job, a lot of hands in it, and the ORCA just seemed to make sense for us based on what we saw, based on our initial conversations with ORCA, and quite honestly, it's been beyond our expectations as far as the impact here to our operation. Since we brought the ORCA into place here at Elim Village, I think the staff have welcomed feeding the ORCA. It's simplified and cleaned up even their handling of our food waste at Elim. It's made it easier, it's less messy. There's some fun in feeding the ORCA. No, it's been great. It's been welcomed, and it's been it's made the lives of our staff a little bit easier in the handling of the food waste.
Everyone, I think, was amazed by the performance of ORCA in the first month. We also found there is a less waste compared to earlier, because now staff is very happy. Now we can see how much amount we are actually throwing in the ORCA, and also we measure how much actually daily basis waste we are having. It's less than before. So we are very satisfied with ORCA's performance. Really fortunate to have it. Yeah, my chef is happy, cooks are happy, dietary aides are happy, and as a manager, I'm happy.
Of course, shortly after we had the ORCA in place, we've got access to the dashboard so we can get in and actually see the stats. There is a number of stats we can log in and look at and see the positive impact environmentally that the ORCA is having here at Elim. The amount of weight of organics that ORCA is consuming and CO2 that's given off that has been eliminated without the trucks coming back and forth. We look at that. I share those stats with Elim, and that goes hand in hand with both the sustainability efforts at Elim Village as well as those for Compass Group Canada. And then it prompts questions. We can see the spikes in the day, we can see spikes in increase in food waste, and it allows us to go back and look at our production. What at lunchtime that particular day didn't go well? Why did we have more food waste that day than others? And we were able to go log in and see all those stats, which is helpful for us, just even looking at what we're producing here. You can simply look at food waste and look at the menu that day and see if there's something in particular that may have set that off. From an environmental standpoint, the diesel fuel and the exhaust fumes from these large compost trucks coming and going from Elim Village every week, that's all gone. It all comes down from the floors into the ORCA, and we're done. I think everyone feels better about how we're handling our food waste.